Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This video is going to be something a little different. I was up in Waycross, Georgia the other day and got stopped by a train, and then attempted to go around the train and got stopped by the same train again. So this is going to be just sort of a rail watch video, but this is kind of interesting because the train had an interesting configuration. You'll see what I mean when you watch the video. This was taken headed into the Waycross, Georgia
one
rail
time
switching
before.
yard.
Yeah.
Enjoy. There were a lot of awesome cars. Check out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Yeah, because there's the end of it. Or the beginning.
That'd be the end.
Yeah.
Well, they got in the house there, looks like.
Yeah. Is this how we came before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think I turned here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah, shit!
What? Don't do that!
Another train! And it ain't moving either.
Well, I guess we're going to just sit and wait on this. Because there ain't nowhere to go. There's the engines.
Huh?
There's the engines.
Yeah. Cut it off.
Of course, there was a road back there I might could take, but I don't know. I could go back over to where we were.
Don't matter.
He's hooking up because he's moving, isn't he?
Who? I don't see
The
anybody.
engines are right there through them trees.
I see the engines here.
Is it? It's moving, isn't it?
No, it ain't. No.
It ain't. Roads Customs. It's an Atmore.
Yeah.
Of course, I think that's. There's an engine way down yonder.
It's going that way.
I think that's that we can. Oh, wait a minute. Now I don't know now what I need to do.
Atmore, Alabama.
Yeah. That wasn't what I was. Mustang Week Daytona.
There's something out in front of the engines there. More train.
Yeah. Yep, that's the weekend of the Daytona one. So we going to Daytona that weekend.
At least this one's moving. But there's still plenty of train.
There ain't much behind. Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
This has got to be one long ass train that's got engines in the middle.
Yeah. That's unusual.
Yeah, I've never seen that. Wonder if he knows something we don't know.
Probably.
That other one had to stop for this one. I bet you. Is there 2 tracks? Yeah, there's 2 tracks there.
There ain't no beans on this list.
I didn't notice that, dear.
Yellow squash, green cabbage, broccoli, pickling cucumber, slicing cucumber, zucchini, okra, acorn, spaghetti squash.
Didn't you just say beans?
No. You looked at the one from yesterday, or the day before.
No. You're right, there's no beans there. Shit.
Maybe they just forgot to put them on the list.
Well, yesterday it's a limited quantity.
Maybe I'll upload this to my channel.
What?
I'm sure some train watcher will get a kick out of it.
Especially the engine in the middle.
Yeah. Wow, chlorine gas.
Mm-hmm. A lot of hazardous stuff there. Isobutylene. I don't know what that is. There's the end.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.